Then, my brothers and sisters, once you learn to love yourself the way Allah has made you, and you appreciate what Allah has blessed you with and has given you, the next step is to learn to respect others exactly the way Allah has made them. That's what it is. Learn to respect others because Allah gave you, mashallah, muscular physique, and you're tall, or you might be in a certain way, you might have a certain complexion, a certain race, certain type of hair. It does not give you a license to belittle others or to think small of them, because as much as it is a test for you to love the way Allah made you, it is a test for you to respect the way Allah has made everyone else and fulfill their rights. That's why from among the companions radiallahu anhum, when one passed a comment to another about being the son of a black man, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "Innaka mru'un fika jahiliyyah." You're a man, in you there is ignorance. Didn't I use that term a little bit earlier? Jahiliyyah, ignorance. You are a fool basically. You shouldn't be saying that. Until he repented, he was sorry, he learned something. And that's why we're talking about it today, because it's facing reality. Every single